guys? Welcome back. This is Rando Geek. Guys, if you're a big fan of Crucial software and you're using their SSDs right now, or you've been thinking of using Crucial software, now is a time, especially if you're looking for something a little more high end. Here's why. Crucial is launching their ultra-fast T700 SSD, which is currently available for pre-order. Pre-order is starting a little pricey. It's $209.99. That's for the 1 terabyte model. So this is currently the fastest Gen 5 SSD that you can get according to tests. They're saying that the speeds are going to be as much as 12 gigabytes per second. You will be able to buy the SSD without pre-order the end of the month, so it's May 30th. And they're basically saying that the T700 is rated for up to 12,400 megabytes per second in sequential reads and up to 11,800 megabytes per second in sequential write speeds. And then they're saying that the random speeds are about 1500K. So it's double-sided 2280 M.2 featuring Phison's bleeding edge E26 controller, 4 gigabytes of LPDDR4 memory, and then Microsoft Direct Storage API. So we got some pricing. They're saying that regular price for the 1 terabyte will be $179.99. They've upped that. It looks like they're charging a little bit more for the pre-order. I'm trying to see why here. Because there's two versions. There's a regular version, and then there's a heatsink version. For the heatsink models, you'll be paying an additional $30 for that heatsink. But it looks like the regular 1 terabyte is currently $209.99. I'm guessing that's a pre-order price, so you get it before everybody else. So you're paying a little bit more just to get it before everybody else. The fear is that it's going to sell out, right? So that's why they're charging a little bit more to jump ahead of the line. So if it means that much to you, that's what you'll be paying. Otherwise, you can wait until launch date, which is May 30th, and then you'll be paying $179.99. And then that's for the 1 terabyte. For 2 terabyte, it's $339.99. 4 terabyte is $599.99. So yeah, it's not cheap. Like I'm saying, this is not for your everyday user. This is for someone that does a lot of file transferring. Maybe you're a musician, you have a lot of music files that you record music, or you're a podcaster and you have a lot of podcast files, MP3 files, MP4 files, whatever it is. And, if you're some kind of content creator, vlogger, this could be very useful for you. It's not cheap. Of course, it's not cheap. But then again, it's apparently of high quality and super fast transfer rates. So, it all matters whether or not it's within your budget and how much your time is valuable to you, right? So that's who this is for. It's not for everybody. And like I said, if you want the heatsink version, there's an additional $30 charge on top of that. So add 30 to the prices that I just told you, plus tax, of course. And then you'll have your price. So they're saying that, every single SSD that they've tested so far, this one is blowing it out the water. So yeah, very exciting news if you're somebody that is looking for a high-end SSD and you're willing to pay a couple dollars more, a little bit more than a couple dollars, but if you're willing to pay a pretty penny, this could be yours. There's some nice photos of what the heatsink and the SSD look like. Not bad. That heatsink looks well adjusted, solid, bulletproof almost. Very nice. All right, guys. I'll leave the link for you in the description so you can review everything and get some more information. You can also look at the photos. And other than that, I'll catch you in the next one. Laters.